Hello everybody, this is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I'm here today to talk about a mystery bag of yarn that I purchased. Now I purchased this mystery bag of yarn from Aberdeen Wool Company in Lindsay, Ontario. I'm really happy with the service that I got. It was sent out very quickly. I didn't have to wait very long at all. And I love my mystery bag. It was all products from the Premier line of yarn. And I've never tried any of the Premier yarn, so this was a wonderful bag for me to get. So let's dive right into it. When I opened the bag, I found two beautiful cakes. I'm going to show you the color because they're gorgeous. Aren't those beautiful? Oh, I love them. So, anti-pilling DK colors. 383 yards or 350 meters, 5 ounces or 140 grams, They're a light 3, and they suggest a 4mm hook. It is machine wash warm, tumble dry normal, which is awesome. And I like it. I really, really like it. It's very soft and squishable. And the colorway is teacup. So I need to get me some more of those because I just love those colors in that. Look at that. It's just beautiful. So 2 of those. Need more. Teacup. And then there is this big ball of puzzle yarn. Let me get to... There we go. It is Premier puzzle yarn. I've never used it before, never seen it before. Other than other reviews on other sites. 7 ounces, 200 grams, 382 yards or 300 meters, and it is a bulky 5. Machine wash, coal, tumble dry, awesome. And they suggest using a 6mm hook. A J. For a bulky 5. I'd probably use something bigger myself. This colorway is the color Brain Teaser. And you can see it's got some different colors in there, like a tweed effect. So looking forward to trying that. And then I got 2 balls of Mega Brushed Chunky. Look at that. 2 balls of Mega Brushed Chunky. They're both the same colorway. Now let's learn about this. This is 100 meters or 109 yards. 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. It is 100% acrylic. The colorway is Calendula. It is a bulky 5. Yeah, I'd agree with that. It's bulky. And it is machine wash cool, tumble dry. And they say use an 8mm hook. That makes sense. So yeah, I got 2 of those. Probably make a pretty cowl or a hat. Or maybe a muff. You know those muffs? Those things you put your hand in, keep them warm in winter? So yeah, that's what I got. I got puzzle yarn. I got 2 of these DK colors. I gotta get more of these. I love that colorway. And I got 2 of these. So yeah, I'm quite happy with my purchase. Very happy with my purchase. Because on top of that, I received 3 patterns for the yarn too. A hat, a shawl, and an infinity scarf. So yeah. Not that I know how to read patterns, but I'll learn eventually. That's what I got. What did you get in the mail recently? Have a good day. I hope everybody stays safe and be kind to each other. Bye.